Hey guys, today we will see something called consolidation of data in Excel. So what exactly mean by consolidation is here. If you look at here, I have a branch 1, branch 2, branch 3 and so on, branch 4, branch 5 details I have. So every time I'm getting this information from the different branches, I would like to see all my branch details in single sheet because so that I can analysis on pivot tables or whatever analysis I can do on this one. So to consolidate this kind of data, so normally we will use copy and paste methods, nothing but. So go to the branch one, just copy entire information and paste it here, and go to the branch two and copy the entire information and paste it here. So it is gonna take some time, since I have only 4 and 5 branches here, so that I can do in a 5 or 10 minutes. But what if we have 100 200 branches, so we can't do manually something like this. It is going to consume a lot of time. So instead of that one, here we have created one single button. Just click on that button, that's it. The work is done. Hey Sai Kumar, you have finished consolidation of data. So how exactly this is happening? So this is happening using VBA code. So literally we have used only 4 lines of code to achieve this kind of things. So let me see and go to the developer tab and click on Visual Basic. So this is the code we have written here. So what is the meaning of this code is, so any VBA code start with sub procedure, which is sub. So consolidation data example, the name of this particular macro, and here we have started one loop, which is for I is equal to 2 to sheets dot count, nothing but how many sheets are there. So that many times it is gonna run the loop, and I is equal to 2, nothing but I is one variable and it's starting from 2. Why 2? Because first sheet is contains a master data which I don't want to loop that one, so that's the reason it is starting from 2. Sheets dot I, which is sheets of I, is nothing but sheet 2. So sheet 2 nothing but is a branch 1, then index number is a matter here, and range A2 to M. So if you take here, so range A2 to M, and in M I have mentioned that sheet dot I range dot A1 dot Excel dot row dot copy. What exactly this particular code is going to give? That last row of that particular M. What does mean? That M contains, go down, so it will copy till here, because that's the reason we have given sys dot I dot range A1 from A1 to end of Excel down. So it is gonna take this 162nd row, so A2 to M162 is gonna copy from sheet dot I. Now the sheets I value is 2, so that means sheet dot 2. So if we take branch 2 and go to the code, so after copy this one, it is gonna paste in master data, and again next I, so that means I value is gonna increase to I is equal to 3. So now I is equal to 3, that means sheets dot 3. So now range of A2 to M. So in this M, so what is the last value here? 323. So it is gonna copy and paste till 323. So here is the way it will copy here and it will paste in only sheets of 1. Here you can see this is a static number, because master data is a static number, right? So master data 1. So that's the reason here we have given only 1. So range of A, that means here, so it is going to find last row and plus 1, because if it is a last row, this is the last row, so it should add to the next one, that means 2164. So that's the reason we have given. So this particular loop is going to run how many sheets are there, and at last we have given just a message box. So this is the way we will do consolidation of data in very simple manner, and in the coming videos we will learn how to combine multiple files, because this time we combined multiple sheets. Next time we will learn multiple files. I would like to you guys, you try this 4 lines of code, because if you check in internet in any other source, you will find very big line of code. It's not required, guys. Only technically 4 lines of code is enough. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and share with your friends, and please encourage me so that I can post lot of videos something like this. Thank you.